Todd Osgood from Project Farm just released a video testing a bunch of different spray nozzles for garden hoses. The $22 FANHAO, $28 Eden, and $13 Little Big Shot all put up good performances and demonstrated good value, while nozzles like the FlexZilla surprised us with its lack of durability. My personal favorite is the Little Big Shot because of its powerful jet stream and simple, durable design. Oh yeah, and the price point is a plus as well. If you watch the entire video, you'll see Project Farm testing and reviewing 21 various spray nozzles, comparing their performance, durability, and features across multiple tests. The nozzles were evaluated for spray force, water flow rate, spray pattern quality, durability under impact and weight, and ease of use. Among single spray pattern nozzles, the FANHAO nozzle emerged as the best overall performer with a strong average ranking and a reasonable price of $22. The Little Big Shot delivered the most powerful jet stream at 1.5 pounds of force, followed by the SANI-LAV at 1.4 pounds. For multi-pattern nozzles, the Eden nozzle stood out for its consistent performance across categories, including its ability to create a concentrated jet stream and fine mist, making it a top choice at $28. The Rainpoint nozzle excelled in creating a natural rainfall pattern, while the Gilmour nozzle was the fastest at filling a 5-gallon bucket in just 60 seconds. Durability tests revealed that many nozzles, such as the FANHAO, Chapin, and SANI-LAV, withstood extreme abuse, while others like the FlexZilla and Gardena suffered significant damage. The article concludes that the FANHAO is the best single spray pattern nozzle, while the Eden is the top choice for multi-pattern use, offering a balance of performance and affordability. Again, links to each and every spray nozzle are in the description and pinned comment.